Engaged lessons for the 21st century.
Common Core, Kindergarten, Counting and Cardinality. Know, number, names, and count the sequence. This is an engaged video created by Willoughby Eastlake Schools. If you are presently using a smartboard, please remember to save this video first on your computer, then open it up with Smart Video Player. If you would please, have a student come up to the smartboard for the very first problem. Thank you. Problem 1. What we'd like for you to do is to count the objects in each group. Say how many there are and write the numbers. Circle the number that shows one more. You have two groups. Here's group 1 and here is group 2. If you would please, pick up a pen to solve this problem. Do that now. Okay, group 1 we have 1, 2. So you should have written the number 2. And over here we have only 1. So you should have written the number 1. Now, which one is one more? Well, this one is one more because it's 2. If your answer matches ours, that is wonderful. If you would please, have another student come up to the smartboard. And while they're doing that, if you would please pick up an eraser and erase your smartboard. Thank you. Problem 2. What we would like for you to do is to count the objects in each group. Say how many there are. Write the number here after you count the objects. Then circle the number that shows one more. So you count the objects, write the number here, count the objects, write the number here, and circle the one that shows one more. If you would, please pick up a pen to solve this problem. Okay, here's what we have. 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 boats. And over here we have 1, 2, 3 boats. So if your answers match ours, that is good in counting. Now, this one is one more. We have one more boat. So you should have circled it. If your answers are like ours, that is amazing. If you would please, have another student come up to the smartboard. And while they're doing that, please pick up an eraser and erase the smartboard. Thank you. Problem 3. We're going to count objects. We would like for you to say how many there are, then write the number here. How many objects? Write the number here. Then draw a group of objects in the white box that shows one more than this one, and write that number here. If you would please, pick up a pen to solve this problem. Okay, for the first one we have 1, 2, so you should have written the number 2. And if this is going to be one more, whatever object you have in here should be 3 of them. And we have 3 airplanes just to show you what we did. So whatever you have, 1, 2, 3, it should match our number 3. If your answers match ours, that is superior. Outstanding. If you would please have another student come up to the smartboard, and while they're doing that, if you'd please pick up an eraser and erase your answers. Thank you. Problem 4, the last problem. Ellen has 3 crayons. Circle the set of 3 crayons. Put an X on the set of 2 crayons. Then write the numbers below both sets. So you'd place a number here relative to this set, and you place a number here relative to this set. If you would, please pick up a pen to solve this problem. Okay, let's see what we have here. We have 1, 2 crayons, so you should have placed the number 2 here. Over here we have 1, 2, 3 crayons, so you should have written the number 3. Put an X on the set of 2 crayons, and that would be this one. Then it says put a circle around the set of 3 crayons, and it would be that one. If your answer matches ours, that is astonishing. If you would please pick up an eraser and erase your answers. And we would like to thank you for working with us today on the Common Core.